Welcome to our comprehensive guide on artificial intelligence for beginners. In this deep dive, we'll demystify what AI truly is, moving beyond the sensationalized portrayals often seen in science fiction. At its core, artificial intelligence refers to the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, especially computer systems. These processes include learning, reasoning, problem-solving, perception, and even understanding language. It's about empowering machines to think, learn, and make decisions in ways that mimic human cognitive functions. It's not just about robots taking over. It's about creating intelligent tools that augment human capabilities and solve complex real-world problems. Understanding AI's fundamental definition is the crucial first step on our journey into this transformative field. The concept of intelligent machines isn't new. It dates back centuries in myth and fiction. However, the formal birth of artificial intelligence as a scientific field is widely attributed to the Dartmouth Workshop in 1956. This landmark event gathered brilliant minds who coined the term artificial intelligence and laid out the ambitious goals for the field. Following this, the early decades saw significant optimism and breakthroughs, often termed the golden years, with developments like early expert systems and problem-solving programs. However, this period was also followed by AI winters, periods of reduced funding and interest due to unmet expectations and computational limitations. The recent resurgence, starting around the early 2000s, has been fueled by massive increases in computing power, the availability of vast datasets, and significant algorithmic advancements, particularly in machine learning. This rich history reminds us that AI is an evolving field, constantly adapting and overcoming challenges. When we talk about AI, it's crucial to understand its different categories, primarily categorized by their capabilities. First, we have artificial narrow intelligence, or ANI, also known as weak AI. This is the AI we encounter every day, systems designed to perform a specific, narrow task. Think of recommendation engines on streaming platforms, virtual assistants like Siri or Alexa, or image recognition software. They excel at their designated function but lack general cognitive abilities. Next is artificial general intelligence, or AGI, sometimes called strong AI. AGI would possess human-level cognitive abilities across a wide range of tasks, capable of learning, understanding, and applying intelligence to any intellectual task a human can. This remains a theoretical concept and a long-term goal for many researchers. Finally, artificial superintelligence, or ASI, is a hypothetical AI that would surpass human intelligence in virtually every field, including creativity, problem-solving, and social skills. Understanding these distinctions helps us grasp the current state and future aspirations of AI development. Machine learning, or ML, is a fundamental subset of AI and the driving force behind most of the AI advancements we see today. At its core, ML enables systems to learn from data without being explicitly programmed for every possible scenario. Instead of writing rigid rules, we feed an ML model vast amounts of data, allowing it to identify patterns, make predictions, or take decisions. There are three primary types of machine learning. Supervised learning involves training a model on labeled data, where both the input and the correct output are provided, teaching the model to map inputs to outputs. Unsupervised learning deals with unlabeled data, where the model discovers hidden patterns or structures on its own. Finally, reinforcement learning involves an agent learning to make decisions by performing actions in an environment, receiving rewards or penalties for its behavior, much like how a child learns through trial and error. This ability to learn and adapt from data is what makes ML so powerful and versatile. Building upon machine learning, we delve into deep learning, a specialized subset of ML that has truly revolutionized the AI landscape. Deep learning models are inspired by the structure and function of the human brain, utilizing artificial neural networks. These networks consist of multiple layers of interconnected nodes, or neurons, where each layer processes information and passes it to the next. The deep in deep learning refers to the sheer number of these hidden layers, which allows the model to learn incredibly complex patterns and hierarchical representations of data. Unlike traditional ML, deep learning can automatically extract features from raw data, reducing the need for manual feature engineering. This capability, combined with massive datasets and advancements in computational power, like GPUs, has enabled breakthroughs in areas like image recognition, natural language processing, and speech synthesis, pushing the boundaries of what AI can achieve. AI isn't just a theoretical concept. It's deeply integrated into our daily lives, solving real-world problems and enhancing various industries. One major application area is computer vision, where AI systems are trained to see and interpret visual information from images and videos. This powers everything from facial recognition unlocking your phone to self-driving cars detecting pedestrians and traffic signs. Computer vision also plays a crucial role in medical imaging analysis and quality control in manufacturing. Another transformative area is natural language processing, or NLP, which enables machines to understand, interpret, and generate human language. This is behind virtual assistants, spam filters, language translation services, and even the sophisticated chatbots we interact with online. From recommending products to predicting weather, AI's diverse applications are continuously expanding, making our lives more convenient, efficient, and intelligent in countless ways. For anyone looking to dive into building AI models, understanding the essential tools and frameworks is crucial. Python stands out as the dominant programming language due to its simplicity, extensive libraries, and strong community support. Within Python, two open-source frameworks have become industry standards: TensorFlow, developed by Google, and PyTorch, primarily developed by Facebook's AI Research Lab. TensorFlow is known for its robust production deployment capabilities and scalability, offering a comprehensive ecosystem for machine learning. PyTorch, on the other hand, is favored by researchers for its flexibility, dynamic computation graph, and ease of debugging, making it excellent for rapid prototyping and experimentation. Beyond these deep learning powerhouses, libraries like scikit-learn provide a wealth of traditional machine learning algorithms for tasks like classification, regression, and clustering. These tools democratize AI development, enabling developers and researchers worldwide to create sophisticated, intelligent systems. As AI becomes more pervasive, it's paramount to address the ethical considerations and ensure responsible development. One critical concern is algorithmic bias, where AI models can perpetuate and even amplify existing societal biases present in their training data, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Data privacy is another significant issue, as AI often relies on vast amounts of personal data, raising questions about collection, storage, and usage. The impact on employment, with concerns about job displacement, also requires careful consideration and proactive planning. Furthermore, the lack of transparency in some complex AI models, often called the black box problem, makes it difficult to understand how decisions are made, which can hinder accountability. Developing ethical AI requires a multifaceted approach, incorporating principles of fairness, transparency, accountability, and human-centric design, ensuring that AI benefits all of humanity while mitigating potential harms. For those eager to embark on their AI journey, a structured roadmap can be incredibly helpful. Firstly, mastering Python programming is non-negotiable. It's the gateway to the AI ecosystem. Alongside Python, a foundational understanding of mathematics, particularly linear algebra, calculus, and probability, will provide a deeper comprehension of how AI algorithms work. Next, immerse yourself in online resources. Countless excellent courses on platforms like Coursera, edX, and Fast.ai offer structured learning paths. Practical experience is crucial. Start small projects using public datasets on platforms like Kaggle. This hands-on approach helps solidify theoretical knowledge and builds a portfolio. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn from failures, and engage with the vibrant AI community. Continuous learning and curiosity are your greatest assets in this rapidly evolving field. Remember, every expert was once a beginner, and your journey starts now. As we conclude our beginner's guide to AI, we hope you've gained a clearer understanding of this fascinating and powerful field. We've journeyed from its fundamental definition and historical milestones to the core concepts of machine learning and deep learning, explored its diverse applications, identified essential tools, and considered crucial ethical implications. AI is not just a technological trend, it's a fundamental shift that is reshaping industries, redefining possibilities, and challenging our understanding of intelligence itself. The future promises even more incredible advancements, from increasingly sophisticated autonomous systems to groundbreaking discoveries in science and medicine. We encourage you to continue exploring, learning, and contributing to this exciting domain. The journey into AI is one of continuous discovery, and its potential is truly limitless. Thank you for joining us on this deep dive, and we look forward to seeing the innovations you'll bring to life.